The way I see it, pyramids are so technologically advanced that even today we can't build them. So maybe.
I don't think there's a reason we can't build the pyramids, though.
The stones, this short time, it's a little bit impossible. It would take 70 years to build the big pyramid. And
possibly, but
within
lots of slaves can do a lot of things. Because remember, back then, you wanted to build something. It was very simple. Let's grab all of these people here. I don't care if they die. I don't want to feed them. You have to build a pyramid. You don't have to like it. You're building a pyramid.
But tell me, how can you put a stone in a 30-degree angle? If you put a heavy stone on a 30-degree angle, it starts to slide.
I can't do it. That's why I'm not an architect or an engineer. But back then, they had architects, they had engineers.
If they pick descend to build it, okay? You know how much money sand would it take?
Yes, but just because it would take a lot doesn't mean it can't happen. Again, the Romans, for example, I think it's very impressive how the Romans built the aqueducts and the roads that stretch for kilometers and kilometers and kilometers.
They're still good today.
All throughout Europe. Exactly, they're still good today. Obviously, they weren't roads built for cars, so they had to take less stress on them. But you tell me, do that 2,000 years after. You could give me all the tools on the planet. I have no clue. I can't do that. But they could. Why? Because back then they still had people who were architects, people who were similar to what we'd call engineers today. These people have always existed. And I think people underestimate just raw manpower. When you want to build a road, what the Romans would do is they'd grab thousands and thousands and thousands of people, and that's their job. That's what they did. That's it. They didn't have government-mandated breaks. They didn't have 7 people all looking at the pothole and 1 guy trying to fix it. That's your job. You don't do that. You are getting beat. You are getting killed. Your family is going to be sold into slavery. So it still took a long, long time. It's still a marvelous accomplishment. But the pyramids, to me, are something that could be done. It would be a huge waste of time, first of all, because they would serve no purpose to us. If today we wanted to build a pyramid, it would be because we want to build a pyramid. So it's a waste of time, essentially. But I think us, everyone sometimes underestimates. Just if you throw thousands of people at a project and go, this is your job, you get things done.
Kellek xi esperjenza tal-paranormali jew xi ħaġa inspjegabbli jew inkella UFOs? Tixtieq taqsam magħna? Jekk iwa, ikkuntattjana fuq daw il-links li ħantukom.